Hey, namaste, it's Kala, and today I'll be talking about checking in on your goals. All right, so I bring this up now because we're getting into springtime here in North America, and a lot of us, we have goals come January, and some people, you're frustrated, you don't even do goals. But what I invite you now is to use springtime as a reset, restart. It's never too late. You know, if you're watching this, and even folks who aren't watching this, we have dreams, we have goals, we have things that we desire. And so I'm just urging you to take some time in the next couple of days. Take 15 minutes. Take 15 minutes from your life, from just running through your life, from thing to thing to thing, to look at where your life is headed, right? This in the flow of magic. Where are you flowing to? Where is the stream that you're in taking you? Okay, and I say that because this has come up for me now. You have goals from January. I set intentions. Actually, there's a wonderful book called The Passion Test. I'm not going to break to go get it, but it's called The Passion Test. It's a wonderful, wonderful book. And we need to revisit our goals. So, say 3 or 4 months have passed since you set your intentions in January. Look at them, see if there's anything that shifted, and really think about what needs to happen for you to move in the direction of those goals. So take some time in the next couple of days, take 15 minutes, and look at anything that you've written down about your goals, or your yearly word. My word was simplicity. I'm going to say is simplicity, and I'm going to add abundance. Simplicity and abundance. And I'm also getting presence as well. Simplicity, abundance, and presence. But look at where do you want to be, next year, the next January. The spring is the perfect season to reset, you guys. As a healer, you know that I work doing a type of Chinese and Japanese type of massage called shiatsu. The spring is the best time to start anew. That's Easter, it's rebirth. So use that energy, literally energy of the planet is doing that as well. Right? So if you're going into springtime where you are, use that energy that's going to actually help you physically and emotionally. Okay, this is the perfect time. Look at your goals, take 15 minutes in the next couple days, and then see what maybe top 3 things you want to focus on, and then map out what do you need to do. Okay? Map it out. You do have control. I know when I was burnt out, the worst feeling in the world to get you depressed is to feel you have no control. So you have to really fight that feeling. You have to say to yourself, I am a co-creator. I am a co-creator of my life. There is spirit, there is karma, there are outside events, but a big part of it, I actually believe 50, if not 60%, is you at a deep, deep level, rolling through with life, like weaving through with life, okay? You are in co-creation. Every successful person on this planet, they talk about that. They have a real strong belief that they have the reins of their life. And it's not saying you control everything, but that you see as something comes in, you respond, and your response, right? I mean, I'm doing this because your response creates. I've seen that in my life, but you have to believe it. If you don't believe it, you will feel helpless and you won't take the right steps. You won't get the right intuition, okay? So this is really important. Get clear on what do you need to fine-tune as you move through the rest of the year. The rest of the year is open to you. What do you need to shift? What habits do you need to shift? And very likely it's some self-care habits. It is adding some meditation or adding some exercise. You need a practice that centers you and grounds you. So look at that. What practice can I bring into my life to center and ground and clear my mind so that I can accomplish my goals? Okay, so I hope this was helpful. 15 minutes in the next 3 days. Look at your goals and retool them, see where you're off, recalibrate. recalibrate. Get a practice that helps you to recalibrate. I recommend meditation, whether walking meditation, seated meditation, whether it's a form of exercise, something that brings you back to yourself, okay? Something that helps you feel and know that you are a co-creator. Watch my videos. I've got lots of videos on working with the chakras, which is super helpful. Even more important, as I said, is meditation. I'll link to that below. And journaling might be something for you, right, to get clear. A lot of us, if we write it out, that helps us get clear. So you can accomplish your goals. Basically, what are goals, right? I'm going to talk about that in my next video. So click through to the next video. I will, when I make it, I'll add it here too. What really are goals? Why do we even have them? Namaste. Have a blessed, blessed day, and be well.